In this video, guys, we're going to be bed lining all of my armor and this lower trim line. This is my 2010 Ram. I just dovetailed it. If you guys want to see that, make sure you check out last video on the channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing some painting because I do like my truck to be rugged, but I also want it to look nice. These fenders, they're one of a kind, as you can see, but they need some heavier duty paint on it because this is just Rust-Oleum. You can see it's getting weathered, it's getting faded. And down here, you can also see why I want to do this. We got dents on dents on dents on whatever that is. And our armor. I never painted this properly, which I do regret. First thing I'm gonna do is mask up all around the things I'm gonna be painting, obviously, so I don't get overspray. That's gonna be the outline of everything we're doing today. We don't need to mask anything else really because it's all whatever anyways. So I'm just gonna use a razor blade and get all these stickers off. Leave it to me to cut my finger masking. I didn't know that was possible, but I did it. See the paint flaking off. So guys, I'm just gonna be using a medium emery cloth to kind of scuff everything. I got this one all scuffed up. I got the bottom scuffed up. As you can see, it's kind of scratched. I'm only gonna be doing this, that white trim, and then the bed, because the bottom underneath isn't quite fully dry yet, as you can see. It's been 2 days. It's just taking forever. So I'm gonna start with the top. I was gonna fix this, guys, but I'm like, well, why am I spending so much time on this? Like, it's not gonna look pretty no matter what. I could repair this and then dent it next time out. So I'm just gonna leave it. So here's the paint I'm gonna be using, Easy Liner. This is what my Ram bed is actually lined with. It does work really well. I use the roll-on for that. All right, we're gonna shake this for a little bit. Overspray from bed liners, not as much as regular paint, just because it's kind of chunky. Right there though, just in case. Get out of control. Hardest part about this is getting lid off these things. There we go. Oh, that looks good, guys. Oh, that's pretty good. Holy, that looks beauty. It's already drying too. So definitely hit this with a few coats. What dents? Guys, that almost looks too good for what this truck is. Okay guys, so we got 3 coats on it. Looks really good, so let's pull off our masking tape. We still haven't done that yet, but we don't need anything masked when we do the bottom. Four days later, we finally got the sliders dry, and now it's time to paint. There we have it. Look how good this thing looks. It looks too good right now. It looks like we don't even wheel the thing. But the best part about this is if I scuff it, I just get my can out, boom, right over it. Again, this is a wheeling rig. It's not perfect. It doesn't matter as much to me. I just want to use it and have fun on the trails. That's really what it's all about. We're going to pull it out, guys, and then we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Okay, guys, I'm going to go really slow so I don't kick up any dirt immediately onto the slider. I'm gonna do the exact same thing I did to that side, to this side, and this side will be done in 3, 2, 1. Voila! Easy as that. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. It's safe to say we absolutely killed this. It turned out so good, and I'm so happy with the final result. It looks too good. That means we gotta go wheel this thing and beat it up a little bit. As you guys can see, the dovetail is done. The trim is done. We are now going to be working on the bed again and reinforcing it so we can go wheel it. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that video. If you guys enjoyed, please subscribe, leave a like, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.